welcome back. I am Ella. Today we're diving into something we all deal with daily, food choices.
I am Alex. Welcome to Talking Easy Channel. And we're going to learn some interesting facts along the way. Did you know the average person makes over 200 food decisions every day?
200? That's crazy. I thought I just decided breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
But think about it. What cereal, what size portion, milk or no milk, second helping or not?
Oh, wow, you're right. Every bite is a decision.
Exactly. So let's learn how to make better ones. First, let's understand what makes food healthy.
Okay, teach me. I know vegetables are good, but why exactly?
Well, vegetables have vitamins, like vitamin C for immunity, vitamin A for eyes, vitamin K for blood clotting.
That's actually helpful. I never knew what each vitamin did.
And here's something cool. Different colored vegetables have different benefits.
Really? How?
Orange vegetables like carrots have beta-carotene for eye health, green leafy ones have iron for blood, purple ones like eggplant have antioxidants for fighting disease.
So we should eat a rainbow?
Yes, that's actually a real nutrition tip. Eat the rainbow. The more colors on your plate, the more nutrients.
I love that. It's so simple to remember. What about protein? I'm always confused about protein.
Protein is like building blocks for your body. It repairs muscles, makes hormones, keeps you full longer.
How much do we need?
Generally about 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. So if you weigh 70 kilos, you need about 56 grams of protein daily.
Is that a lot?
Not really. One chicken breast has about 30 grams. One egg has 6 grams. A handful of almonds has 6 grams.
Oh, that's manageable. I thought protein was just for bodybuilders.
No, everyone needs it. Even your hair and nails are made of protein.
Really? So if I eat more protein, will my hair grow better?
It can help, along with biotin and other nutrients. See, everything connects.
This is fascinating. Now tell me about sugar. Why is it so bad?
Great question. Here's the thing. We actually need some sugar for energy. Our brain runs on glucose.
So sugar isn't all bad?
Natural sugar in fruits comes with fiber, which slows absorption. But added sugar in processed food hits your bloodstream fast.
What happens then?
Your blood sugar spikes, insulin rushes out to deal with it, then you crash and feel tired and hungry again.
Oh, that's why I'm hungry an hour after eating donuts.
Exactly. Plus, here's a scary fact. We should have maximum 25 grams of added sugar per day for women, 36 for men.
How much is in a soda?
About 40 grams. One soda exceeds your whole day's limit.
What? That's insane.
And a chocolate bar has about 25 grams. A flavored yogurt can have 20 grams.
Even yogurt? But that's supposed to be healthy.
That's the trick. Always check labels. Look for hidden sugars, corn syrup, dextrose, maltose, anything ending in ose.
Ose means sugar?
Usually, yes. Glucose, fructose, sucrose, all sugars.
That's a great tip. What about artificial sweeteners? Are they better?
Controversial topic. They don't raise blood sugar, but some studies suggest they might increase cravings for sweet things.
So we can't win?
The best bet is training your taste buds to enjoy less sweet things overall.
How long does that take?
Research shows it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to adjust. If you cut sugar gradually, you'll start finding fruits taste sweeter.
Really? That's encouraging. Now, what about fat? I'm still confused about good fat and bad fat.
Okay, let's break it down. Good fats are unsaturated, like olive oil, avocados, nuts, fish.
Why are they good?
They help absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. They reduce inflammation, support brain health, and keep skin healthy.
And bad fats?
Trans fats are the worst. They're in many processed foods. They raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol.
How do I spot them?
Look for partially hydrogenated oil on labels. That's trans fat.
Sneaky. What about saturated fat, like butter?
In moderation, it's okay, but too much can raise cholesterol. The key is balance.
Everything comes back to balance. Let's talk about something practical, reading nutrition labels.
Yes, this is so important. First tip, ingredients are listed by amount, highest first.
So if sugar is the first ingredient,
Run. But seriously, that means it's mostly sugar.
what should I look for?
Check serving size first. Sometimes a small bag of chips shows calories for 1 serving, but the bag has 3 servings.
That's so misleading.
Right? Always multiply by how much you'll actually eat.
What about those percentages on the side?
Daily values. If something has 20% or more of daily value, it's high. 5% or less is low.
So I want high vitamins and low sodium?
Exactly. You're learning fast.
This is actually really helpful. Now, let's talk about meal timing. Does it matter when we eat?
Another great question. Your body has a circadian rhythm, a natural clock. Eating late at night can disrupt it.
Why?
Your digestion slows at night. Food sits in the stomach longer. Plus, insulin sensitivity is lower in evening.
So breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, dinner like a pauper?
That old saying has truth. Studies show people who eat bigger breakfasts tend to have better weight control.
But I'm never hungry in the morning.
That might be because you're eating too late at night. Try stopping eating 3 hours before bed.
Will that help?
You might wake up actually hungry. Plus, you'll sleep better. Digestion can interfere with deep sleep.
I didn't know that. Speaking of sleep, does lack of sleep affect food choices?
Huge impact. When you're tired, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone.
That explains why I crave junk when I'm exhausted.
Plus, less sleep means less leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full.
Double trouble.
And tired brains crave quick energy, sugar and simple carbs.
So sleeping more could help me eat better?
Studies show people who sleep 7 to 8 hours make better food choices than those sleeping less than 6.
That's motivation to go to bed earlier. Now, teach me about fiber. I know it's important, but why?
Fiber is amazing. It feeds good gut bacteria, helps you poop regularly, lowers cholesterol, controls blood sugar.
Wow, all that?
Yes, and it keeps you full. Foods high in fiber take longer to chew and digest.
How much do we need?
Women need about 25 grams daily, men about 38 grams. But most people only get half that.
What foods have fiber?
Beans are fiber superstars. Also, whole grains, vegetables, fruits with skin, nuts, seeds.
Should I take fiber supplements?
Food sources are better because they come with other nutrients, but slowly increase fiber. Too much too fast causes gas.
Good to know. Let's talk about water. How does it really help?
Water is involved in every body function. It carries nutrients, removes waste, regulates temperature, lubricates joints.
How much do we really need?
The 8 glasses rule is okay, but it depends on your size, activity, climate. Your pee color is the best indicator.
Pea color?
Yes, pale yellow is perfect. Dark yellow means drink more. Clear means maybe too much.
That's so practical. I love tips I can actually use.
Here's another. Drink a glass of water before each meal. It helps with portion control.
Because you feel fuller?
Yes. Plus, sometimes thirst masks as hunger. You might not even be truly hungry.
Mind blown. What about metabolism? Can we boost it?
Yes. Protein requires more energy to digest than carbs or fat. It's called thermic effect.
So eating protein burns calories?
About 20 to 30% of protein calories are used just to digest it. For carbs, it's 5 to 10%. For fat, only 0 to 3%.
That's significant.
Also, spicy foods can temporarily boost metabolism. Capsaicin in chili peppers increases calorie burn.
Really? How much?
Not huge amounts, but every bit helps. Green tea also has a small metabolism boost effect.
I'm learning so much. What about gut health? Everyone talks about it now.
Your gut has trillions of bacteria, more bacterial cells than human cells.
That's kind of creepy.
But they're helpful. They digest food, make vitamins, train your immune system, even affect mood.
how do we keep them happy?
Prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics are fiber that feeds good bacteria. Probiotics are the actual good bacteria.
Where do we get them?
Probiotics are in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Prebiotics are in garlic, onions, bananas, and oats.
So, yogurt with banana and oats is like a gut health party?
Exactly. Your gut bacteria will thank you.
This is amazing. Let's talk about portions. How do we know how much to eat?
Great visual guides. Your palm is about 1 protein serving. Your fist is 1 cup of vegetables or carbs.
Really?
Yes. Your thumb is about 1 serving of fat. Your cupped hand is 1 serving of nuts or seeds.
That's so easy. No measuring needed.
And it automatically adjusts to your body size. Bigger people have bigger hands, need more food.
Brilliant. What about the plate method?
Half your plate vegetables, quarter protein, quarter whole grains. Simple but effective.
I can remember that. Now, what about eating speed? Does it matter?
Huge difference. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness.
So, if I eat fast,
You can overeat before your brain catches up. Slow eaters typically eat less and feel more satisfied.
how do we slow down?
Chew more. Try counting 20 to 30 chews per bite. Put your fork down between bites. Eat without screens.
Without TV? But that's when I eat dinner.
Distracted eating leads to overeating. You don't register satisfaction when not paying attention.
That makes sense. I sometimes finish a bag of chips without realizing.
Mindful eating can reduce calorie intake by 20 to 30% without feeling deprived.
Just by paying attention?
Yes, notice colors, textures, flavors. You'll enjoy more and eat less.
Let's talk about cooking methods. Does how we cook affect nutrition?
Absolutely. Boiling vegetables can lose 50% of vitamin C into the water.
What's better?
Steaming, roasting, or stir-frying preserves more nutrients. And some nutrients actually increase with cooking.
Really? Like what?
Lycopene in tomatoes becomes more available when cooked. Beta-carotene in carrots, too.
So, raw isn't always better.
No, mix it up. Some vegetables are better raw, some cooked. Variety is key.
What about grilling? Summer's coming.
Grilling is great for flavor and low fat, but don't char the meat. Those black bits can be carcinogenic.
Oh no! I like it crispy.
Crispy is fine, black is not. And marinate meat first, it reduces harmful compounds formation.
Good tip. What about oil for cooking?
Different oils for different uses. Olive oil for low-medium heat, avocado oil for high heat. It has a highest smoke point.
Smoke point?
When oil starts smoking, it's breaking down and creating harmful compounds. Each oil has different smoke point.
I've been using olive oil for everything.
It's healthy, but save extra virgin for salads. For cooking, regular olive oil or avocado oil is better.
Learning so much. Quick question about organic food. Worth it?
For some things, the dirty dozen, fruits and vegetables with most pesticides, might be worth buying organic.
Which ones?
Strawberries, spinach, peaches, apples, grapes, tomatoes, things you eat with skin.
And the clean ones?
The clean 15, avocados, corn, pineapple, onions, things with thick skin you remove.
That helps with budget. Only buy organic where it matters most.
Exactly, smart shopping. Also, local and seasonal is often healthier and cheaper than organic from far away.
Why healthier?
Less time from farm to table means more nutrients preserved. Plus, picked when ripe instead of early for shipping.
Makes sense. Let's talk about food combinations. Do some foods work better together?
Yes, iron from spinach absorbs better with vitamin C from lemon juice.
Really?
Fat helps absorb vitamins A, D, E, K. So salad needs some dressing or avocado.
That's permission to use dressing.
In moderation. Also, turmeric absorbs better with black pepper. Increase absorption by 2,000%.
2,000%? That's incredible.
Right? Traditional cuisines figured this out long ago. Indian food combines turmeric and pepper naturally.
Ancient wisdom. What about food myths? What's not true?
Egg yolks aren't bad.
They have cholesterol, but don't significantly raise blood cholesterol for most people.
I've been throwing yolks away.
That's where the nutrients are: vitamin D, B12, choline for brain health.
What else?
Carbs aren't evil. Your brain needs 130 grams of glucose daily to function properly.
But low-carb diets work?
Short term, yes, but long term, whole grain carbs are linked to lower disease risk.
It's about choosing the right carbs.
Exactly. Quinoa, oats, brown rice, good. White bread, pastries, not so good.
What about frozen versus fresh?
Frozen is often more nutritious, frozen at peak ripeness, while fresh might travel for weeks.
That's surprising. And cheaper, too.
Win-win. Don't feel bad about frozen vegetables. They're convenient and nutritious.
This has been so educational. Any final quick tips?
Eat breakfast with protein to stay full longer. Keep healthy snacks visible. Prep vegetables when you buy them.
Why prep immediately?
You're more likely to eat them. Pre-washed, cut vegetables get eaten. Whole vegetables rot in drawer.
So true.
Also, don't shop hungry, keep a food diary for awareness, and remember, progress, not perfection.
I love that. This information makes healthy eating feel more doable.
Knowledge is power. Small changes based on understanding add up to big results.
Should we do a quick recap of key learning points?
Great idea. Eat the rainbow for variety of nutrients. Read labels, especially serving sizes and sugar content.
Fiber is your friend. Aim for 25 to 35 grams daily. Protein keeps you full and boosts metabolism.
Water before meals helps portion control. It takes 20 minutes to feel full, so eat slowly.
Good fats help nutrient absorption. Your hand is a portion guide.
Sleep affects food choices. Gut bacteria influence overall health.
Cooking methods matter. Food combinations can boost nutrition.
And most importantly, no food is completely forbidden. It's about balance and frequency.
Perfect. This has been so informative, but still fun.
That's the goal. Learning about food shouldn't be stressful or boring.
I feel empowered to make better choices now.
That's what it's about. Informed choices, not strict rules.
Thanks everyone for joining us on this learning journey.
Remember, every meal is a new opportunity to nourish your body.
Start small, be consistent, and be kind to yourself.
Your body will thank you. Until next time, happy healthy eating.
Bye everyone. Now go enjoy your next meal mindfully.